द्वितीय पर्यायर वितर्क प्रतियोगितार विषय वस्तु आंचलिक दलर अभिवृद्धि एक दृढ़ सरकार गठन पाई विपद यार विपक्ष रे जाई मु कहिबी यह कदापि विपद नुहे बरं यह हेउची आशीर्वाद। मो देश भारत जार शासन गणतंत्र मो देश भारत जार शासन गणतंत्र एई देश को विकास करिबी दिने मु नेबी यार दायित्व। आमे जानिछु आंचलिक दलर अर्थ कोन। आंचलिक दल प्रथमे निजर लक्ष्य रखिते अंचलर विकास पाई प्रथमे कहतु आपण परिवार लोक प्रथमे जानती ना प्रथमे निजर माँ को चिन्हती यह निश्चित जे आम प्रथमे निजर माँ को जानू तापर जाई आम आमर परिवार लोक को जानू ठीक से परी आमर अंचल निजर माँ हेले आम देश हेउछि आमर परिवार। तेणु जेते बेले आम विकास मुखर हेउछु सेते बेले प्रथमे निज परिवार को देखिबा परिवार सुसंजत हेले समाज बढ़िया सुंदर भाव में गठन हेबो यहाँ पर जाई राष्ट्र गोटे सुंदर राष्ट्र रूप धारण करि पारिबो। जदि आमे निजर दृष्टि निक्षेप करिबा गोटे कोठरी को एवं तार बनाम रे देखिबा गोटे राजप्रसाद को प्रथमे आमे भल भाव में निरीक्षण करिबार समर्थ हेबा जे कोठरी रे कोन अछि। ठीक सेही परी आमे निज अंचल रे कथा जानिला परे जाई जानिबा जे राष्ट्र पई कोन आवश्यक राष्ट्र विकास पई हमकु कोन दरकार हेबो। आम ए ओडिशा रे बीजेडी थिला आंचलिक दल जदिओ 25 वर्ष शासन परे एहा एबे शासन भार रे नाही किंतु जेतेबेले गोटे दलटीए गठन हुए यार प्राथमिक अवस्था से दर्शन रखी जे निज अंचल को किपर से सुंदर भाव में गठन कर जदिओ सरकार बेसी दिन पर्यंत रही जाए तेबे से स्वेच्छासेवी हो पारे स्वेच्छाचार हो पारे किंतु प्राथमिक दर्शन रे निज अंचल अभिवृद्धि दरकार। यही भारत जोटी द्वैत शासन प्रचलित अच्छी एठारे अंचल को मध्य गुरुत्व दिया उचित कारण राष्ट्र सरकार सम्यक राष्ट्र को देखिले अंचल सरकार निज अंचल गुरुत्व को बढ़ाए जेपरिक विश्वकप आयोजित होता ये ओडिशा रे जहार नाम को सन्निम करिगला ये ओडिशा सरकार मु एठारे कौनसी दलर पक्षपातिता करू नाही किंतु कहूची जे आंचलिक दल गोटे केंद्र सरकार को सुदृढ़ करि पारे एहा कदापि विपद होई न पारे बरं यह हेउछि आशीर्वाद कारण यह निज अंचल संस्कृति हेउ भाषा हेउ विभिन्न क्षेत्र विकास रे यह निज समर्थ होई थाए। तेणु शेष रे एतिकी कहिबि जे मु गणतंत्र राष्ट्र गोटे नागरिका दुर्नीति को दूरे रखी निज अंचल किपरि विकास हेबो ता प्रति दृष्टि देवी कारण निज अंचल को मु जदि विकास करि पारिबी ताहेले जाई मो राष्ट्र को विश्व दरबार रे मु नियोजित करि पारिबी एवं यहाँ प्रति सुनाम आनि दे पारिबी। एतिकी मोर वक्तव्य शेष करुछि। धन्यवाद।
I am not a member of any organized political party, rather I am a Democrat. With this beautiful thought, a wonderful evening to one and all present over here, respected judges and my dear co-competitors. I am Payal Hota, a student of Krishna's Vikas Residential School, standing before you to present few lines on the given topic, that is, growth of regional political parties, a threat to strong central government. My dear friends, first of all, we need to know what is a political party. A political party is a group of representatives who are inclined towards forming a good, responsible and an accountable government. In my opinion, formation of regional political party is very, very crucial for the stability of the central government, especially when it is a coalition government. Regional political parties fulfill the aspiration of the political involved by the people, those who are unable to do, especially the remote area people. Regional political parties focus on the interest of the local people of particular region, such as good road, lack of educational facilities, water, transportation, etc. In this era of coalition government between the national and regional political parties, if regional political parties will withdraw their support from forming of the central government, then how will a good government will be formed? Hence, in my opinion, it is very important to have regional political parties. It also reduces inferiority among the people, especially the political inferiority. The people, those who are political parties, provides an agency to the people by gathering their point of view and then presenting it to the government. Hence, I would like to conclude. Thank you and have a nice day.
मैं उस देश का नागरिक हूँ जिस देश में सम्राट अशोक और छत्रपति शिवाजी जैसे राजा थे। मैं उस देश का नागरिक हूँ जिस देश के डाली डाली में सोने की चिड़िया को पाया जाता था। मैं उस देश का नागरिक हूँ जिसे अपने भूगोल से पहले इस पूरे ब्रह्मांड का भूगोल समझ आता था। With this beautiful lines, welcoming you again. This is Avinash Nag from Panchayat Degree College, Bargarh. My today's topic is the growth of regional political party is a threat to the stability of central government. Today, I will be speaking in the favor of this topic. According to me, yes, definitely the emergence of regional political party is a threat to the stability of central government. And to prove this statement, I will set some examples through which it will become clear that what I am trying to say is correct. Let me start. First, let us distinguish between a regional party and a central party. A regional party is a party which takes care about the interest of the people in a particular region in its respective region. But a central party is the party which forms the government and play as an opposition in nation. So now it's a threat. How it's a threat? Because the growth of the regional political party will due to this, the central party will develop a fear that if they will not function properly, then they might get replaced by any other party. Now, I would set an other example. Give me an answer that why in China only one party system is followed. Because the Communist Party in China has a fear that if they will introduce multi-party system in their country, then there are chances that they might lose their power. And ultimately, who wants to hit the axe on their own feet? Are you? Am I? With this, I would like to conclude my speech. Thank you and have a great day. Okay. And that's, we are in the country in which we are dealing with here, we are blessed that we have a multi-party system, because it may be a threat to the center, but it's a biggest boon for the people of the country, because they can choose their own representatives. At last, but not the least, I would like to conclude my debate by saying that a thought by Atal Bihari Vajpayee. Regional political parties are emerged as a force. Regional political parties are emerged as a force. They too deserve a chance in the national politics. With this, thank you and have a great day.